Role of sponsor in mutual fund. Sponsor is a promoter of mutual funds. Sponsor needs to make an application to SEBI for registration of mutual fund by submitting Form A. The sponsor needs to have minimum 40% shareholding in the capital of AMC. Anyone who holds more than 40% in the capital of AMC will be deemed as sponsor, and they will be required to fulfill the eligibility criteria of the sponsor. So, sponsor is the starting point for any mutual fund setup. They are the first party for mutual fund setup, and then after trustees, AMCs, custodian, etc. comes into picture. It is not that anyone can be a sponsor of mutual funds. They need to fulfill eligibility criteria defined by SEBI. Here I am going to tell you some of the eligibility criteria. The sponsor should be carrying on business in financial services for at least 5 years. The sponsor should have a positive net worth in all the immediately preceding 5 years. The sponsor should be a fit and proper person. The sponsor should contribute at least 40% to the net worth of the asset management company. The sponsor or any of its directors or the principal officer to be employed by the mutual fund should not have been guilty of fraud or has not been convicted of an offense involving moral turpitude or has not been found guilty of any economic offense. As I told you that sponsor is the first party to a mutual fund, let's have a look at the mutual fund setup to know in some more detail. So here in the first picture you can see that mutual fund is a trust wherein AMC, sponsor, trustees and custodians are the main party. But when it comes to roles and responsibilities, here you see sponsor registered with SEBI. It is not that SEBI always grant approval to sponsor. SEBI can reject the application too. And here you see sponsor appoints trustees, sponsor or trustees appoints AMC. But again, it is not that sponsor can directly appoint trustees. Sponsor needs to take prior approval from SEBI, and also it has to be as per the guideline provided by SEBI. Meaning, sponsor cannot appoint anyone as trustee. At the same time, sponsor cannot set up AMC by its own. Everything is regulated by SEBI. But when it comes to day-to-day operation of the mutual fund, it is not the sponsor but AMC plays critical role, and investors interact with AMC but not with the sponsor. I would suggest to take a snapshot of this picture. It will helpful to you in the future.